is the Taurus. It's a summer project that we came up with here at New Bedford Research Robotics, where we wanted to demonstrate the scale of what we can do and also highlight our non-planar printing capabilities. This project involved a lot of interns. They helped us research the style of which to make this lighting fixture. They helped us research the diffusion methods and the microcontrollers in order to control the lights wirelessly with this app right here. It's made from 8 separate pieces that took about 8 hours to print, and they come together much like a community does, and it's held together with fishing line, so we're staying true to our New Bedford roots. The LED strip inside is over 40 feet long, and it took about 64 hours of printing time. I want to give a special thank you to our partners Aibuild, because without them this quite literally would not have been possible. Aibuild is a London-based software company that uses AI and cloud computing to create slicers for these 6-axis industrial robots. And it makes robotics a lot more accessible to people of all backgrounds because of the ease of access, and you can really customize what exactly you want the robot to do based on the parameters they give you. They have a really great and wonderful team.